Welcome to this tutorial on how to obtain a Bank of Baroda mini statement. A mini statement is a convenient way to check your recent transactions and account balance. Here is a step-by-step guide to help you get started. First, ensure you have registered for Bank of Baroda's mobile banking or internet banking services. If not, visit your nearest Bank of Baroda branch to register. You will need your account number, debit card, and other identification documents to complete the registration process. Next, you can obtain a mini statement through various channels, including mobile banking, internet banking, ATM, or by giving a missed call. To obtain a mini statement through mobile banking, log in to the Bank of Baroda mobile banking app using your user ID and password. Navigate to the account summary or transaction history section, where you can view your recent transactions and account balance. To obtain a mini statement through internet banking, log in to the Bank of Baroda website using your user ID and password. Click on the account summary or transaction history tab, where you can view your recent transactions and account balance. You can also obtain a mini statement by visiting a Bank of Baroda ATM. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and select the mini statement option from the menu. Your recent transactions will be printed on a receipt. Alternatively, you can give a missed call to the Bank of Baroda mini statement toll-free number. You will receive an SMS with your account balance and recent transactions. When obtaining a mini statement, ensure you are using a secure connection or a trusted device to protect your account information. Regularly checking your mini statement helps you stay on top of your finances and detect any suspicious transactions. In conclusion, obtaining a Bank of Baroda mini statement is a straightforward process that can be completed through various channels. By following these steps, you can easily check your recent transactions and account balance, helping you manage your finances effectively.